camera freak on. Look at those clouds up there. I mean, the way the trees are, it's really bugging me out because it's like at the top of those trees. This is nor'easter. This is really a blizzard. This is really a blizzard. I would give you guys a better tour, but I can't walk right now. My knee's feeling better, but I'm not where I'm going to take another week to be able to walk. So I'm gonna pass it over to Mike and let you guys fill in. Wow, they got us with the ice.
This is some weather. I mean, it's all over the lens.
Yeah, clean the lens if you can.
Yeah.
Show these little trees.
Hold on a
right
second.
here.
A little better.
There you go.
Yeah, this is some weather we're getting here.
Going against the wind, Mike. Check that out. Look at that. Can't even barely see the water.